Hello everyone, welcome to my live here in Facebook. Now we will play Princess. Here. Here guys, so where is the toys? Princess, she has 6 toys. Wait, di na itong iban? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Di na iban? 1, 2, 3, 4 lang na oh. Ang isa. Di na, Princess, ito. See guys, what Princess toys? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a big one in her mouth. Princess, say hi to your fans. Hi guys. Princess, she's busy to pulling her big toys. That's her toys. She loved too much that toys. Here. Princess, look at me. Hi, Princess.
Stop. Stop.
Stop. Give it to her, the toys. Okay. Oh, you can pick now which one you want. Princess. Here, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the big one, 6. Oh, so she chose the big one. Where? Princess. Oh, Princess.
1, 2,
You know, guys, she loved too much that toys.
5, 6.
See, that's her dog stuffed toys, and she make it in pieces. she make chop on it. See this? Where the tails? Wait, where is the tails? Oh. No, here the tails, guys. Look at what she's doing. Ah, Princess. Here the tails, and this is the legs. And this is the, what's this? Where's the ears? Princess. Look, she make it in pieces. Look, oh. How many pieces now? Oh, here. Princess, look at me here. Her now she's taking the big one. No, Kevin, give it to her. Okay. Go there. Princess! This is her favorite. This is her life. The stuffed toys. The chop stuffed toys.
Stop.
Buy ilang sa, buy ilang. No, Princess. Look what she's doing to her stuffed toys. When you take it, she will get angry too much.
No.
Because she loves this. She loves this. Ah, Princess. See, how many pieces now? Oh, like she took the big one. Yeah, that's her. Her stuffed toys. She love it. No, give it to her. Here. Princess! Look. Come, Princess. Here, oh. Where are the others? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Only 4 pieces. Take the other one there. No, not that one. The other one. 5 lang. Kuato kibino sa imutiil. 5. Oh, this is the other one. 6. So, they are 6. There are 6 pieces. Hi! Not like that in the video. No! It's not allowed. No, princess. Not allowed that. Uy, nagkitulumaw na.
What are you doing?
Oh, here we are. Princess. Hoy, mag-hi ka na. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Oh. Kau Kian. Here is Kian. Hi. Shh. Bungol. Balasa. Kian. Mag-hi ka na, Kian. Kabati ka. Hoy. Kian mo na saw? Kian. Mag-hi ka diyo. Dali, Ana. Kabati ka, wal. Ay, bungulo. Wala, hindi ka ba lumagambal? Ay, princess. Kian, binabahay ka lang din sa Facebook. Diba na live niya sa dali, Ana. Isa. Dali, Ana, hi. Hi, hindi ka ba lumagambal sa hi? Hindi sa mag-hi, oh. Si princess na lang, eh. Hi, everyone. Your princess, oh. Princess! Hello! She's busy playing to her stuffed toys. Princess! Like this. Oh. Sis! She's pulling her toys. Ihatan na sa iya. Ikaw mag-isik naman na. Man. Okay. Here now, princess. Oh, where are the other toys? Princess. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, here, princess. 5 toys of princess. 6 with the bones. Princess. Matunog na yan ni Be. Ay, matunog. Wala ba si mabatian ang ang... Sorry. Princess, come here. Oh. Princess is there. Oh. Oh. Hindi na sa pagwaan. Dali lang iharap sa akin kasi princess. Agay, goy. Agay. Lain naman yung hirap. Ari, dali lang dali lang. Catch it! Wala yung gina-catch. Princess! Princess!
Yes, catch.
Catch. Here. Oh. Catch. Ari yang i-catch mo, princess, oh. Wala pa gani. Oh. Liwat. Liwata.
Bye-bye.
Princess, catch. Wop. Wala na catch. Wop. Again. Catch, okay. Na-catch siya. Ka. Na-catch ni princess. Bravo. Wop. Wop.
Catch.
Ginatamad si Princess Sobong. O, ara naman. Ang legs naman, gid pang atado ya. Oh. That's the legs. Sis. Nasisari na, oh. Princess, hindi paglapaki ang iyang ginaano kay gina-video ko siya. Oh, that is my princess. No, no biting that princess. She's biting the toys. Oh, what is that? Princess. Where's the tails? Princess. She's watching TV also. She's watching Laro Pig. Princess. Kuhay mo tiil kibin. Sis. Inay na yato ang TV. Tal nagapik pa naman sila. Na mo na. Tama na. Tama na, Kibin. Princess, tali di. Cheer your toys, oh. Look at Princess toys, guys, oh. Oh, Princess sleepy na. Princess. Mag-sleep na ang Princess. Tapos na. Wait. Kwaday mo kamot, Kibin. Tulog na si Princess. Mas sleeping na ang Princess. Oh, mga rasaw. Mas sleep na ang Princess with a toy. Amo na. Mag-sleep na si Princess. Okay. Mag-sleeping na si Princess. Wala lang. Dito sa ilaw minute. Stickers. Tulog na si Princess. Natulugan na tayo ni Princess, oh. Natulog na ang Princess. Mamahalin. Correct. Sumpaan. Ay, bakla. Bakla, no? Ako. Correct. May kwarta ka? Ha? May kwarta? Sino katag? Oy, nag-sleep na gidyas ang Princess. Nag-sleep na asaw. Ang Princess na mo. Nag-sleep na. Nag-sleep na ang Princess. Remember me kapag nag-kiss. Wrong? Remember me kapag kapag iniwan. Out ka na. Hindi niya alam. Nang yung ano na, why man ko kabalo? Luwaan at sugatan ng yung pagmamahal. Pagmamahal. Limutin. Correct. Ako'y maghihintay. Correct. Diba? Ayos ang kilay niya. Kapag nag-iisa, ayos ang kilay niya. Ayos ang kilay niya. Hindi tupong. Matulis ang dirihong isa, ang isa hindi. Tsura. Hmm? Gaulhot-ulhot sayaw.
Kulot siya.
Pasaway.
Ano daw? Ano daw? Sige daw.
Sila.
Cigar and Bolton.
Sino na?
Cigar and Bolton.
Pila sila? Lain naman 2, 4, 6. Pila? 7? Anom?
Anong?
Anom? Hala, ano na? Ay, mag-spray sila.
Look, tukambal sa duwa, bro.
Nakay tsura sila. Pero hindi niya nakambal guro ah. Do kambal, bisan magkadlaw no?
Or sa ilong?
Ha?
Or sa ilong?
Gin-close up ang isa. Aray, close up sila. Ano na kambal ya? Do ang gidanggit sila nga duwa ka. Ararara. Ay, oo, magkitsura sila nga duwa ka.
Kambal sila doon, no? Pareho sa tsura ni siya, no?
Precious sprayer. Precious spray.
Iyaw.
Si Arne, mong good.
Siya, green.
Oo.
Okay, no?
Siya, gid man nakakuha ba?
Ano 100,000 ko ito?
Buhay po mampang kasagani. Wala na tulog na si Princess.